Intergenerational conflict refers to conflict between different generations. This is an issue that has been in the public eye more and more over the last few years, thanks to media outlets and the internet. Despite its place in the public eye, there is a noticeable lack of data concentrating on intergenerational conflict. The concept itself has been researched in the past, but almost always in the context of a professional or workplace environment. Little research has examined what, if any, prejudices one generation has for another. To our knowledge, there is also a lack of research on priming effects that may prompt an individual to express feelings of animosity toward a member of a different generation. The lack of empirical data focusing on conflicts specifically between the baby boomer and millennial generations, who are thought to have the most feelings of animosity toward one another, prompted this study. Focusing on the perceptions that baby boomers have of millennials, we sought to identify potential correlations between variables. We predicted that participants who reported having low life satisfaction or many life regrets would assign a higher number of negative traits to millennials compared to those who reported high life satisfaction. We also predicted that the order in which the life regrets measure and the millennial trait survey were administered would influence the number of negative traits associated with millennials. 89 members of the baby boomer generation completed a Qualitrix survey that included measures of life satisfaction, life regrets, and millennial traits. Analyzing the data we collected, we found that there was no significant correlation between high degrees of life regrets and any of the negative traits listed, nor were there significant correlations between life satisfaction and certain millennial traits, positive or negative. Overall, data suggests no statistically significant relations between any two variables. The study was also intended to include a manipulation in the order in which participants were administered the life regrets measure and the millennial trait survey. A technical problem with Qualitrix prevented the measures from being randomized, leaving us unable to investigate our prediction regarding survey orders. The COVID-19 pandemic altered the way that this study was conducted, resulting in limitations regarding participants' sample size and diversity. Future research should focus on procuring a larger sample so that collected data is more representative of a given generation. We also suggest that future research establish a baseline of data for others to use in further exploration of intergenerational conflict.